Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. When mangoes are in season and you get fresh and ripe mangoes, then here is a recipe of mango yogurt which you should definitely give a try. Here I present to you two ways of making mango yogurt. You can serve this as a quick breakfast or even as a refreshing drink. This is an excellent recipe to refresh the body and beat the summers. It is healthy and nutritious as well. So, let us start with the recipe. Here I have taken 2 to 3 fresh and ripe mangoes. You can take any variety of mangoes, but preferably the sweet ones make the recipe best. First, wash and prepare the mangoes. Then peel and remove the outer skin. Make slices of the mango or cut them to small pieces. We all know mangoes are good sources of antioxidants and vitamins, especially the vitamin C. These helps to promote the immune mechanism of our body and also helps to fight infections. The mangoes are power-packed with a lot of nutrients and also believed to be a natural source of a compound called mangiferin, which is very suggestive to reduce heart-related problems. Here I have cut the mangoes to small pieces. Now take them to a blender jar and blend them to make a very smooth puree. Once it is done, I am going to transfer half of the portion to another bowl. And let us keep this aside for making the second recipe. Before we begin with the first recipe, I am going to pour about 2 tablespoons of the mango puree to the serving glass and then keep it aside for the time being. Now, to the remaining mango puree in the blender jar, let's add the other ingredients. So here we add Greek yogurt. You can also substitute it with normal yogurt or any dairy-free yogurt. Add sugar for sweetness. And I also add a pinch of salt. So now it's time to blend them well. You can also make this and store it in the refrigerator, but it's good to use within 24 hours. And here is a sweet and delicious mango yogurt ready to serve. Now let us pour it into the same glass of mango puree which we had kept aside earlier. Get it chilled and serve yourself with this absolutely healthy and refreshing mango yogurt drink. In some parts it is also called as mango lassi. So let's continue ahead and make the second recipe of mango yogurt. For this, let's take a clean bowl And into this, I'm adding the hung curd. This is literally the same yogurt from which water is drained out completely. And we get a creamy yogurt base. You can also substitute this with the sour cream. Then whisk it to make a smooth consistency. Doing this makes it more creamy and fluffy. Now into this, we're going to add the mango puree which we kept reserved in the beginning. So let's mix and combine them. Add the puree in portions and combine well. Then finally, to enhance the taste, I'm going to add a pinch of cardamom powder. And give a good mix. And so, here we are ready to serve it. You can serve it with overnight oats, cut fruits, and even raw vegetable salads. So let's transfer it to a serving bowl. It is even more appealing to get it chilled and have it just like this. Garnish with fruits and nuts of your choice and enjoy. I hope that you would love to try this simple and healthy mango yogurt recipes. And if you like this, do share with us your comments and feedbacks. And hope to see you in our next video.